DMP is not only great to work with, but I really like the attention that we receive from our sales rep and from our regional rep. Very hands-on. They ask us questions. They listen to our needs. Since we do financial institutions mainly, our set of panels that we put in may be a little bit different than a residential and even a commercial situation, because we're doing a lot of hold-up buttons, build traps, that kind of thing. And we feel that it is one of the best, if not the best, panel on the market. It's a little ahead of its time in that some banks, even the larger ones, are starting to go to encrypted statuses, which we can do with the XR550. Well, we really like the roundtable experience. My business partner and I are here. This is the first time in Tucson, and we get to meet other people from all across the country and share ideas, and they ask us questions, we're asking them questions, plus our regional guys here with DMP. So it's very relaxed, informal, yet we're learning, we're just soaking in all the information, and we'll go back better prepared to do our work back in our area. One of the best things a person can do is always go to the industry leader and find out as much information, and if that means hopping on a plane and going to a meeting like this, it's really a good thing to do, and not just, of course the websites are great, all the information on the website is wonderful, but you really get the experience and you really get to talk to the people that are making these wonderful innovations that DMP does, and have that one-on-one time. It's great.